guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited. We have a brand new image for you to play with. So I would like you to meet Carrots the bunny. He is so cute. So this is a brand new digital image. I have printed it out with 9 on a sheet, so you'll get this size. There's 2 files when you purchase the digital image. So I made one that will print out like this, so you get some sentiments, and then they come in this size, and you can just print, color, and cut them out. So that way, if you are not too tech savvy and don't have any programs to use to resize your images and stuff, you can just print this out and then go ahead and use it. So for those that are tech savvy, I did create a separate file so you can resize him any size you want. So here are the cute little pair here. I thought this sentiment goes perfect with the 2 of them. Every bunny needs some bunny sometimes. Love that. So I am going to make a slimline card. I'm using a pink and mane slimline die here. I created this background here with our Dots for Spring paper pad. Perfect for spring. These colors are beautiful for spring. There's bigger dots on one side, smaller dots on the other. And I was so inspired by my design team. Several of them have used this technique where they sliced strips of paper and pieced them back together to create a slimline background. So that's a great way to add some 6x6 paper pad to your slimline card. And what I did was I just put washi tape on the back so they were all together after I took it out from the die. So all I have to do is then paper piece it back into the frame. So I'm going to do that with you and finish up this card. I'll have the link to this cute little guy in the description box if you want to pick him up and create the same card. So I'm just going to have this frame centered here. I'll just use my glue. I'll just use liquid adhesive. So I want to pop this guy up, so I have my foam tape behind him. He will be flat down. They are going to be hanging off the edge of the card. They're so cute. And then we'll have the sentiment popped up as well, and I will just center that here at the top. Hopefully that's straight. Let's add him down with glue. And I would make sure not to cover up the other, his eyes. So that looks like a good position there. Okay, let's add him right next to this little guy. This could be, these 2 could be family members, friends. So cute. If you have a little bow stamp, that would be so adorable to put a bow right there in the corner to make it a girl. And then I'll add some sequins to top this off. I'm going to add my sequins to my little tray here. You can get these little trays from Jackie's Craft Table. She's on my design team. So I'm just going to add my glue dots first. So I want some sequins over here. One over here, one up here, and let's see how that looks. So definitely want a purple, a pink, a yellow, let's put the yellow up here. And we'll do this blue to match his shirt. Super, super cute. Super cute and easy to do. Very, very fun card. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And the links will be in the description box for you. If you create something with the carrots, the bunny, please hashtag me at NotTooShabbyShop. I would love to see your project. Take care, guys.